Are you ready to explore Kentucky, one of the most versatile and fascinating states in the USA? From jaw-dropping natural beauty to lively urban hubs and awe-inspiring family attractions, Kentucky offers something for everyone. Grab your notebook, because we're diving into the top 12 destinations in Kentucky that will leave you longing to visit the Bluegrass State. Welcome, explorers! Whether you're looking for thrilling outdoor activities, rich cultural experiences, or peaceful retreats, Kentucky is your ultimate destination. This video will take you on an extended tour of the state's best attractions, providing detailed insights and helpful tips to make your trip memorable. Let's dive in. Destination 1. Red River Gorge. Our adventure begins in the awe-inspiring Red River Gorge, nestled in the heart of the Daniel Boone National Forest. Renowned for its natural beauty, this geological wonder boasts over 100 sandstone arches and miles of scenic trails. Visitors can enjoy hiking, rock climbing, zip lining, and even kayaking through the tranquil waterways. One highlight is Natural Bridge, accessible via a moderate hike or even a skylift for those wanting a more relaxed journey. Photographers will adore the panoramic views from Skybridge, while thrill seekers can tackle challenging climbing routes, making Red River Gorge a favorite for adrenaline junkies. Don't miss the serene camping sites and the vibrant community of adventurers who gather here. Make a stop at Miguel's Pizza, an iconic spot loved by outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're visiting solo or with family, this destination will leave you spellbound. Pro tips: share safety advice for climbers and best seasons for visiting. Destination 2. Land Between the Lakes National Recreation Area. Land Between the Lakes is the ultimate retreat for nature lovers, spanning more than 170,000 acres between Kentucky Lake and Lake Barkley. This area offers endless opportunities for outdoor activities, including fishing, boating, hiking, and wildlife spotting. It's a true escape for anyone seeking tranquility and adventure. Don't miss the Elk and Bison Prairie, where you can drive through and encounter these majestic creatures roaming freely. At Golden Pond Planetarium, you'll experience stargazing like never before, and the Woodlands Nature Station is perfect for learning about native animals and ecosystems. Whether you're camping under the stars or enjoying the peaceful sounds of nature, Land Between the Lakes is an unforgettable destination for all ages. Destination 3. Mammoth Cave National Park. Prepare to be amazed by Mammoth Cave National Park, the world's longest cave system and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Stretching over 400 miles underground, Mammoth Cave is home to intricate passageways and fascinating geological formations. Guided tours cater to all interest levels, from the leisurely frozen Niagara tour to the adventurous wild cave tour. Above ground, enjoy kayaking along the Green River, hiking scenic trails, or picnicking in lush surroundings. The park is a haven for biodiversity, with unique flora and fauna thriving both underground and on the surface. Whether you're a history enthusiast or thrill seeker, Mammoth Cave offers a one-of-a-kind experience you'll treasure for years to come. Destination 4. Louisville. Our journey through Kentucky continues in Louisville, the state's largest city and a captivating mix of tradition and modernity. Louisville is synonymous with the Kentucky Derby, the world-famous horse race that takes place annually at Churchill Downs. Even if you're visiting outside of Derby season, guided tours at Churchill Downs let you experience the history and excitement behind this iconic event. Baseball lovers will want to stop by the Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory, where you can see how the legendary bats are crafted, hold bats used by famous players, and even take home a customized mini bat as a keepsake. For foodies, Louisville is a treasure trove of culinary delights. Try the city's signature hot brown sandwich, a delicious open-faced turkey and bacon dish topped with Mornay sauce. Pair it with a visit to one of the many bourbon distilleries in the city to sample Kentucky's finest spirits. Downtown Louisville is buzzing with energy, offering trendy restaurants, live music venues, and artisan shops. The Nulu District, short for New Louisville, stands out for its creative atmosphere, filled with galleries, craft breweries, and local boutiques. Nature lovers will enjoy a walk along the Big Four Bridge, a former railroad bridge turned pedestrian pathway that spans the Ohio River and offers gorgeous views of both Kentucky and Indiana. Explore Louisville's rich cultural legacy, including the Muhammad Ali Center, a museum and cultural space dedicated to the legendary boxer's life and activism. End with scenic footage of the waterfront park, perfect for picnics, family outings, or simply unwinding with views of the Ohio River. Destination 5. Lexington. Welcome to Lexington, widely recognized as the horse capital of the world. This beautiful city is a hub for equestrian culture, offering visitors a chance to experience the Kentucky Thoroughbred legacy. Start your journey at Keeneland Racecourse, a historic venue for horse racing that's perfect to visit during the spring or fall meets. Walking tours are available, allowing visitors to learn about the history of the track while admiring the stunning surroundings. Next, immerse yourself in the history of Kentucky horse racing at the Kentucky Horse Park, an interactive museum where you can meet real horses, explore fascinating exhibits, and even catch live equestrian demonstrations. For those wanting a break from horse culture, the Ashland Estate, home of 19th-century statesman Henry Clay, offers a historical retreat amidst scenic gardens. Downtown Lexington is another highlight, brimming with trendy restaurants, artisan boutiques, and distilleries offering a taste of Kentucky bourbon. Don't miss the Legacy Trail, a scenic path perfect for biking or walking that connects Lexington to nearby horse farms. Share anecdotes about Lexington's role in the Bourbon Trail and its impact on the equestrian world. Discuss nearby attractions like Raven Run Nature Sanctuary for nature enthusiasts. Destination 6. Bowling Green. Heading over to Bowling Green, a city that blends adventure, history, and family-friendly fun, you'll find plenty to explore. First on the list is the National Corvette Museum, a dream destination for car enthusiasts. Discover the legacy of America's iconic sports car through rare model displays, interactive exhibits, and even driving simulators. It's a must-see attraction for visitors of all ages. Next, take a trip to Lost River Cave, a hidden gem offering a unique underground boat tour. Glide through the winding cave system as guides share intriguing facts about its geology and history. For those who prefer outdoor activities, the surrounding trails provide scenic walks perfect for spotting wildlife. Bowling Green is also home to a lively downtown area, featuring diverse restaurants, local breweries, and charming shops. Make sure to check out the historic Rail Park and Train Museum for fascinating exhibits and restored vintage railcars. Destination 7. Cumberland Gap National Historical Park. Step back in time at Cumberland Gap National Historical Park, a destination rich in history and natural beauty. Known as the Gateway to the West, Cumberland Gap was a crucial passage for early pioneers venturing into new territories. Today, it's a treasure trove for history buffs and nature lovers alike. Start with a visit to Pinnacle Overlook, where panoramic views stretch across Kentucky, Virginia, and Tennessee. The overlook is accessible by car and is a favorite spot for photographers. Hike through scenic trails, such as the Wilderness Road Trail, which follows the footsteps of early settlers. For a deeper historical experience, explore the Hensley Settlement, a preserved pioneer village showcasing life as it was in the early 1900s. Cumberland Gap also offers excellent opportunities for wildlife spotting, stargazing, and picnicking amidst serene surroundings. It's truly a destination that combines adventure and history. Destination 8. Owensboro. Known as the bluegrass music capital of the world, Owensboro is a cultural gem with a deep connection to Kentucky's musical heritage. Begin your visit at the Bluegrass Music Hall of Fame and Museum, where you can explore interactive exhibits, watch live performances, and learn about the roots of this beloved genre. Owensboro's riverfront is another highlight, offering stunning views of the Ohio River and perfect spots for relaxation or recreation. Take a stroll, enjoy outdoor concerts, or simply soak in the scenic beauty. When it comes to food, Owensboro's barbecue is legendary. Make sure to try the mutton dishes at local favorites like Moonlight Barbecue Inn. Discuss Owensboro's annual festivals, such as the International Barbecue Festival and Romp Festival. Destination 9. Paducah, a UNESCO creative city. Paducah is a haven for art and culture enthusiasts. Begin your journey at the National Quilt Museum, where you'll find masterpieces that bridge traditional quilting with contemporary design. This globally recognized museum is a must-visit for anyone interested in textile arts. Stroll along the floodwall murals, which depict Paducah's rich history and heritage through stunning artwork. Downtown Paducah is another delight, packed with galleries, cafes, and boutique shops that radiate creativity and charm. This city celebrates art in every form and hosts festivals year-round, making it an inspiring destination for creators and visitors alike. Destination 10. Frankfort. Our journey concludes in Frankfort, the capital city of Kentucky. Despite its small size, Frankfort is packed with history, charm, and important cultural landmarks. Start your exploration with a visit to the impressive Kentucky State Capitol, a masterpiece of neoclassical architecture surrounded by beautifully landscaped grounds. Take a guided tour to learn about its fascinating design, political significance, and its role as the hub of Kentucky's governance. A short walk from the Capitol takes you to the Governor's Mansion, an elegant structure that's been home to Kentucky governors since 1914. Be sure to check out Cove Spring Park, a natural oasis just minutes from downtown, where visitors can enjoy walking trails, waterfalls, and scenic picnic spots. History lovers will appreciate the Kentucky Historical Society, which features exhibits, artifacts, and archives that delve deep into the state's storied past. Nearby, the Liberty Hall Historic Site offers a glimpse into 19th-century life through its well-preserved mansion and gardens. Frankfort's downtown area is the perfect blend of old-world charm and modern energy. Stroll along its quaint streets to discover boutique shops, cozy cafes, and locally owned restaurants. Don't miss the Rebecca Ruth Candy Factory, the birthplace of the famous Bourbon balls, a Kentucky favorite that blends the sweetness of chocolate with the boldness of bourbon. Highlight the Old State Capitol, a National Historic Landmark known for its Greek Revival architecture, and share stories about its role during the tumultuous Civil War era. Mention the serene views of the Kentucky River, which runs through the city and offers opportunities for kayaking, fishing, and leisurely boat rides. Pro tips. Share the best times to visit Frankfort for seasonal events, such as the Kentucky Bourbon Festival in nearby Bardstown or local farmers markets showcasing artisanal products and fresh produce. Bonus Place 1. Ark Encounter. The Ark Encounter in Williamstown is truly one of a kind. This life-sized replica of Noah's Ark stretches 510 feet long and features 3 stories of interactive exhibits exploring biblical history. Visitors can enjoy animal encounters, virtual reality experiences, and engaging workshops that bring the story of the Ark to life. It's an educational yet awe-inspiring attraction that's perfect for visitors of all ages. Whether you're interested in architecture, history, or simply looking for an unforgettable family outing, Ark Encounter is a must-see destination. Highlight visitor feedback and the attraction's impact on Kentucky tourism. Bonus Place 2. Newport Aquarium. Last but not least, Newport Aquarium transports visitors to an underwater world of wonder. Located in Newport, Kentucky, this aquarium features breathtaking exhibits showcasing marine life from across the globe. Walk through tunnels surrounded by sharks, marvel at vibrant tropical fish, and learn more about aquatic ecosystems. Families will love interactive exhibits like the Stingray Touch Pool and playful penguin encounters. Newport Aquarium is an unforgettable experience that combines education with entertainment. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through Kentucky, USA. From its awe-inspiring natural wonders to its vibrant cities and rich cultural landmarks, Kentucky truly has something for everyone. Which of these incredible destinations is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you're planning a trip to the Bluegrass State or simply dreaming of your next adventure, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your fellow travelers. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our travel guides. There's a whole world out there waiting to be explored. Let's discover it together. Until next time, happy traveling.